Coach Pablo, sino kina Nevin at Christina?
Sa totoo lang, hindi po talaga biro yung ginagawa ng mga batang to. These kids are fighting for their dreams. And ako, personally, I didn't have the courage when I was a kid. Same edad nila na abutin yung mga pangarap ko katulad ng ginagawa nila ngayon. Kids, Nevin, Christina, I love you both so much. Kasi iba yung dinalan yung saya sa akin. Iba yung dinalan yung inspirasyon sa akin. Sa paggawa ng awit, sa pagtingin sa pangarap ko rin. And nakita ko yung fire talaga na gusto nyo yung mag-perform sa stage. Sa hindi po nakakaalam, ang dami ko pong changes na pinagawa sa kanila, na pressure po, na naiyak pa. Pero I treat them as artists. You guys are champions. Not moving forward doesn't define your talent or your future. Tandaan niyo yan, the best moments or the best growth, natatanggap natin yan or nararanasan natin yan kapag natatalo tayo. We learn, but we continue moving forward. Christina and Evan, there will always be someone better than you in singing. You might be better than some others, but always remember, yung pakiramdam, the feeling that you leave the audience, because that will like touch their hearts and inspire them to do well din sa mga ginagawa nila. So, thank you so much, Nevin and Christina. I'm going to choose now. Ang mag-a-advance sa tropa ni Pablo dito sa The Voice Kids ay si Nevin.
Congratulations, Nevin. You are moving on to the Grand Finals. At syempre, maraming salamat for joining us. Christina, palakpakan po natin si Christina. 2 down and 2 more to go. Susunod na ang magiging desisyon ni Coach Julie at ni Coach Tel. Lahat ng yan mangyayari sa pagbabalik ng The Voice Kids.